welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle again today. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, drumroll please, this bracelet making kit. Yes, but this is not a bead bracelet making kit like this one. This is not bead one. I think this is some kind of like a rubber band or something. I've seen rubber band bracelets before and I've even worn one. My friend gifted me once a rubber band bracelet, but I've never made one. And I don't even think this is a rubber band. So, but let me just show you what's on the box. This is pretty, and you see this is such a cute little girl, toddler kind of girl here. And yeah, this is the kind of bracelet that I think is gonna be. I don't know. And this is like a box which we can keep our rubber bands in, and if you look at the back, it also has some stickers, and this is what the rubber band kind of things will look like. We have green, white, blue, and pink, and we also have chains and some, I guess, some ropes, and I don't know what this is. So without any thinking, let's open it first. So I already cut the tape, so we're gonna open it. Oh yeah, this side. So we're gonna open it, and let me first take everything out. So we're gonna see what's inside. So guys, I opened the box. This is the box, and now it's like all empty. It's all empty. So we're going to put it aside, and let's just see what was inside. So as I was saying earlier, I thought it was rubber band, but this is definitely not kind of rubber band thing. Like we have this kind of thing. I'm just take a bright color so you can see it, because this is white and this is white. So we have like this kind of thing. This does not look like rubber band to me. Does it look like it rubber band to you? It doesn't look like a rubber band to me. So this is, we have pink, hot pink, which is also one of my favorite pink. And this yellowish green, which is like a highlighter yellow, a green, I don't know. And this blue, which is really pretty and like goldish. I like it. And this white, which kind of blends in the wall a bit, a teeny tiny bit, like maybe. So this white, and we have three for each color. One, two, and three. So we have three for each color. We have white, blue, pink, and greenish yellow or something. So, and yeah, comment down below if you see this as green or yellow. I think I see it a bit yellow, a bit green. Comment down below if you see it yellow or green. I think I see it yellow, maybe, but a hint of green. And we have this purple-ish like container kind of thing. I think we put the colors in here. We have 4 compartments, and we have 4 colors as I showed you earlier. And wow, look, it like completely matches my shirt color, I guess. It looks really nice. And with this container, we have this cap, which it has some design on the top with this empty thing, and I guess it closes like this. Yeah, it closes like this, like a little box container kind of thing, but it is like empty on the top. So I don't know, maybe we have to like join something with this. And yeah, it came with this plastic like thing. It came with this plastic bag with things inside. I haven't opened it yet, but we're gonna open it now. So let's open it. As I mentioned earlier, I think it has stickers in it. So just empty it out. Oh my god, there's so many rings. Okay, so empty it out. We're going to put the plastic for here for now. So let's just see what's inside. So this is so small. So I found some rings. Wait, yeah, this. It has some rings inside. these rings, they're so small. Focus. Yeah, they're so small, these rings. They have 5 rings, or maybe, yeah, wait. It actually has 6 rings. No, 7 rings. They're so small, they're like hiding. Let's just confirm. Yeah, it has 7 rings. So we're going to put the rings together. Yeah, it has 7 small metal rings. I don't know for what, but we're going to put it line aside because they're so small. And it has these things. Like it's also this. I think this is like charms because this is circle and heart and stuff. This is heart and circle. This is also heart and circle. So I think these are charms that we need to like take apart. Maybe I'm not confirming anything. So, and yeah, see, I told you that there are going to be stickers inside. So there are stickers. These iridescent ones and these diamond ones. They're so pretty. So we have stickers, and yeah, we also have these strings. We have black string. We have a blue string, and we have a pink string. So we have these strings too, and we have an instruction manual. We have instructions. We're going to read these later when we're going to start making. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this is I guess empty from the top. So maybe we put this pink kind of, oops, we put this pink kind of lid on this top, like this, maybe. Yeah, like that. Not, it doesn't stick that much, but we do put it. So yeah, this is our thing, the container. So yeah, and yeah, it also comes with a rubber band and this string, I think, and a rubber band. So this is what's inside. So let me first read the instruction manual, then I'll see what's inside. So I'll meet you after I read it. So guys, I read the instruction manual, and according to my understanding, I think it says that we, I guess, hoop over. I don't know. It does like, if this is one of the chain, this is the other chain. So maybe you just hoop over something. That's what I understood. So let's just try, and maybe we'll get what like it actually says. But in this instruction manual, yeah, this one of this, like this clip over here, this is actually how we start making it. This one, and these are charms. So yeah, we're gonna just start. But before we start, I want to put on the stickers. So like this sticker over here, the big one, I think it goes over here. So I'm gonna put it on right now. And it is iridescent, and I love iridescent stickers. Please go on, good. Please, no bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles. That's pretty easy. So I got the sticker on, and it looks so much cuter now. And we have these other 2 stickers, these heart and circle ones, which I'm gonna put on right now on these charms. So let me just put it on, then I'll show you, okay? So guys, I use all the stickers, and this is what the charms look like after I put on the sticker. And this is the cap after I put on the stickers, and it looks so much cuter now. Look, yeah, it looks really pretty. And the charms as well. And I don't know what to do with this. Maybe these stickers. Maybe I decorate it with this. Yeah, I'm supposed to decorate this cap with these stickers too, so I'm gonna do that real quick, okay? Yeah, guys, so I decorated the things. So, I decorated these charms over here with the purple and pink ones with the rhinestones. And I also put the stickers on as I showed you. And yeah, see, I also put the sticker and the rhinestone on this one. It looks so pretty, right? So, oops. So we're going to put it on like this. So now let's actually get started on the main thing that I haven't done yet. So first let me just fix up this camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, good. So let's just get started on the main thing. So here I have these and I think I am supposed to, yeah, break this like this. See? You see this? We're going to break it out like this with leaving these. So we have this and we're going to put it inside of 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 a container like this. So I'm going to repeat that for all of this, then I'm going to show you, okay? So guys, I have finally done it. I have separated all of the colors and now it looks like this. Like this. Yeah, but what I did is I didn't, as I told you, that there is three of each color. I didn't make all of the three. I didn't separate three of each color. No, I only separated one of each color. So now I'm left with two of each color. So yeah, and now we have this container full. Now we're going to start with making bracelets with our beautiful container and our beautiful supplies. So I think that I'm going to make a rainbow bracelet. Like this maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna take two actually bright colors. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't look at me like that. I am supposed to maybe like that. Let me just check the manual again. And I start figuring this out, then I'm going to show you because this is going to take a while. So let me just check the manual, okay? Yes, actually, guys, I think I've got a hang of it, and it's actually really easy and fun to make. I made this so far, like this with this like charm thing, which I think is a lock, and it looks so good so far. And I think I know the technique. So I need to add wrapping right now. So how to add this is like we have this and we have this. So we will take this and put it through this hole over here like this. Wait, but this is a bit tight, so it's a bit hard to push through. This takes some arm strength. Yeah, but the thing is, I just gotta put it through. Okay, so let me show you again. You see these two holes in this? These holes, and we have this thing. So we're going to take this part and just put it through these two holes like this until it's like this. Let me just show you real quick, okay? See, it's through one hole. It's through one hole like this. We're going to put it through the other hole now, like this. And now it's through both of the holes like this. I'm going to continue this with the other like colors and patterns you want. I have done three blue, three white, and three pink. Now I'm going to do three yellowish green, which you can comment down below which color do you see this. I was seeing yellow before, but now I think it's green. So I'm going to do this until the bracelet is complete. Then I'm going to show you because this video is already a bit long. So let me just complete it, then I'll show you, okay? Okay. So guys, this is the final look. I made this beautiful bracelet out of this set. It is so cute and preppy, and it was really easy to make. If I just read the instructions and I figured it out. You just have to hoop this through. Like, see, if wait, let me take a bright color. If you have these two, you have to take this and put it through like this. No, actually, no. Wait. Yeah, you have to take this and put it through this like this, like, yeah, like that. And then you have this. You have to just put it through like that. And if you read the instruction manual, that you will understand it more. This is the instructions, which has it on both sides. I learned it with the instructions, and it was so much fun to decorate this, make this bracelet, and I think this will be one of my favorite bracelets from now on, and I'll be wearing it every time I go out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you will have the notification. And comment down below which part of the video did you like the best and which color is your favorite from all of these. We have white, pink, blue, and yellowish green. Comment down below which one is your favorite. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.